I'm Andrew Altiere. I'm going into my 4th year at Ohio State in the mechanical engineering program. I'm a production engineering intern, and what that means is I help produce the parts as efficiently as possible. So I think they let the training wheels off pretty quick, at least in production. They sort of give me a problem and say, do the best you can to come up with a solution. That's been really nice, and it's led to some pretty cool results. So I think I've learned a lot here. Definitely my biggest project that I've been doing over the last couple weeks was revamping the machining shop, but specifically the way that we run our lathes. That's had some pretty big results. It's pretty cool, especially since I can see with some of the recent stuff I've been doing tangible data of how I've improved the production process. I've done so much, a variety of different things here, that I've sort of realized that I can be happy and enjoy doing a lot of different things in the process. I've done design work for facility, I've done stuff with production, I've even done some economic stuff with KPIs. This is my first internship. It's obviously paved a very substantial path forward. I don't know where I'll be in 30 years, but I imagine that it'll be because I got this internship and it shaped me into who I am right now.